So before I get started, let's get one thing out of the way. This is more of a template that I'm sharing here, which you can use to make whatever protein smoothie you'd like to make. I'm using blueberries and a banana to determine the overall flavor profile of the smoothie, but feel free to use whatever fruits or vegetables that you'd like to use. The blueberry and the banana blend works quite well though, so keep that in mind. The first protein source that I'm using is almonds. I chose them because compared to some other nuts, they don't have a high saturated fat content and are quite high in protein. I'm using about 30 grams of them here, and that is about 6 to 7 grams of protein. Another good point about almonds is that they don't have a very overpowering flavor. Be mindful, of course, if for whatever reason you have to restrict the fat content of your diet. If that is the case, they might not be the best choice for you. This actually holds true for the next ingredient that I will be using as well, which is flax seeds. I'm using about 20 grams of them here, and that adds about 4 grams of protein to the whole smoothie. So far, between the almonds and the flax seeds, we have a decent 11 grams of protein added. Now, the third main protein source that I'm using is fat-free Greek yogurt. I'm using about 150 grams of it, which is about 15 grams of protein. Of the three ingredients used so far, if you want to increase or decrease the protein content of the smoothie, I would say this one is the one that should be manipulated. If you want more protein, add more of it. If you want less protein, add less of it, I suppose. Right, so as my liquid base, I'm using almond milk as well. Again, because it doesn't have an overpowering flavor. We've got the honey as well. Use it, don't use it, optional, I don't care. Right, so let's get everything blended and poured in. This one was actually quite nice. I did end up adding the honey in as well. But if you actually want it to be a lot lower in carbs, then I suppose you could skip the banana or even blueberries and instead of that use kale or let's say spinach or something like that. Overall, it was quite decent. But yeah, that's it. Honest, go ahead, experiment. Whatever. Three main ingredients: almonds, flax seeds, and fat-free Greek yogurt for the protein sources. Anyway, have a nice day. Bye.